What you're seeing now isn't just an update, it's Tesla redefining what a luxury electric SUV should look and feel like in 2027. Sleeker, sharper, and more futuristic than ever, the new Model X pushes minimalism into a bold new era. At the front, Tesla has completely rebranded itself. The traditional grille-less front fascia remains, but it's now more sculpted and aggressive. A standout feature is the full-width LED light bar, which cuts cleanly across the front end like a digital signature. This gives the car an unmistakable presence, especially at night. The headlights themselves are incredibly slim, almost hidden within the body lines, giving them a stealthy, almost concept car-like appearance. Below, vertical LED accents add depth and visually expand the look. This isn't just minimalism anymore, it's precision design. From the side, the Model X has evolved into something much sportier. Its silhouette now resembles a coupe-style SUV, with a flowing roofline that tapers gently toward the rear. This dramatically improves aerodynamics while providing a more dynamic look. The flush door handles remain, maintaining Tesla's clean design philosophy, while the large, aerodynamically optimized wheels reinforce efficiency and performance. And notice how smooth the surfaces are. No unnecessary creases, just smooth, flowing lines. It almost seems like the car was shaped by the wind itself. At the rear, Tesla further reinforces its futuristic theme. Continuous LED lighting runs along the tailgate, now combined with illuminated Tesla lettering, a subtle yet premium touch. The taillights are sharper and more refined, while the lower bumper remains clean and uncluttered, emphasizing the vehicle's electric nature. No fake vents, no aggressive diffuser, just a pure, honest design focused on efficiency and elegance. Beneath that sleek design, the 2027 Model X will push Tesla's electric technology even further. We'll likely see a dual or triple motor configuration, delivering instant torque and all-wheel drive capability. 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds, a plaid variant is expected. Better battery density for longer range. Improved thermal management for sustained performance. And of course, that signature Tesla acceleration. Silent, brutal, and addictive. Climb inside, and this is where things really get next level. The cabin is dominated by a full-width digital display that spans the dashboard, integrating driver information and infotainment into one seamless interface. In the center, a large vertical touchscreen controls almost everything, from navigation to climate control. The steering wheel or yoke maintains a futuristic cockpit feel, while ambient lighting adds a premium, lounge-like ambience. And that panoramic glass roof? The cabin is filled with natural light, making the space feel open and almost architectural. Minimal buttons, maximum intelligence. The 2027 Tesla Model X isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. It takes everything Tesla is known for, minimalism, performance, technology, and refines it into something sharper, more emotional, and undeniably futuristic. This isn't just a family SUV anymore. It's a glimpse into the future of mobility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.